Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your creative works with Adobe step by step clearly. Open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Log in with your Adobe ID and password. Navigate to the file menu in the application you were using, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. Select Open Recent to see a list of your recently accessed projects. If your project is listed, click on it to reopen. If not, go back to the File menu and select Open. Use the file browser to navigate to the location where your project was last saved. Look for any backup or autosave files that may be available. If you find your project file, select it and click Open. If you're using Photoshop, check the Recent Files panel for a recent version. For Illustrator, try to locate the same under the Welcome screen. If you didn't find your work through those means, access Adobe's cloud storage. In the Creative Cloud app, click on Files in the left sidebar. Look for any autosaved versions that may be available in your cloud storage. If cloud storage is enabled, you can restore previous versions of your work. Select the file you need, then click on Version History. Choose the version you want to restore and click Restore. Once restored, check the file for any missing elements or potential issues. If your work remains unsaved or you had a crash, consider using recovery options under Preferences. In Preferences, look for File Handling and see if autosave is enabled for future use. After recovery, remember to save your work frequently moving forward. Consider backing up your projects to an external drive or a different cloud service for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.